welcome to the channel again. Today I just want to share with you some of my very important tips when you buy your kitchen cabinets. Some of them come with the doors that are not perfectly level or perfectly straight. Some of the doors are whooped. And so I just want to give you guys an example of one of the doors that came with one of my cabinets, and I just realized later that it wasn't straight. It wasn't perfectly level, and I'm about to return it back to Lowe's so I can get new doors, because these ones, there's two of them that are very very bad. They know. I've tried to adjust the door hinges to see if it will close correctly, but it is not closing. So I'm just giving you a tip: when you buy your cabinets, check the doors. Make sure that all the doors are closing okay, and even after adjusting all the hinges to make sure the door are closing well. Um, and if not, just return them to Lowe's, and they will send you new doors that are good, that are no, the wood is not warped. And I think that happens usually because some of these cabinets stay in the storage for a while and through the transportation, all that kind of stuff, and they will bend. The door will bend and get whooped. So here's an example of what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna move it this way. So this one up, it's right here on the floor. If you guys look at it, it says, look, it is like moving everywhere. It's not straight. And no matter how, if I push, so let's say I put this side flat on the surface. Look, this side is all not touching the ground. It's like tilted this way. So this side is like all this side is flat and this corner is flat. But look at this space right here. Let me move it. Look at all this space. All this space right here. So it means that this side is not straight at all. So no matter what, you try to adjust these hinges right here. I've tried everything I can, all the instructions online, on YouTube, how to adjust the cabinet doors to close correctly. This one is not, all right? This one is doing this. So meaning that this piece right here might be, there's something wrong here. It's bent, it's tilted this way, okay? And this is too much. This is like way too high, almost an inch. Look, this is almost like an inch right here, space. So I'm taking this back to Lowe's so they can send me new cabinet doors. The rest of them are fine, but this one here especially, it's so bad. And let me show you another one right here. There's another one right here that is having the same issues. So this is for a bigger door. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. So this corner, this side is on the floor, but look at this. This is not too bad, but there's like a space right here going all the way around. That's how it is. It's horrible. So check your cabinets when you receive them. You're probably not gonna notice until like you start installing them that some of the doors are whooped. But you paid for this stuff, so take it back. They can give you some new cabinet doors. All right. So I just wanted to share that tip to help you out. If you like videos like this and you like the DIY type of videos, please check my other videos below. Or at the end of this video, it's going to give you an option to check the other ones. All right. I hope this helps somebody, and thank you for checking out my videos. Have a good day.